The Lakshmi Narayan Temple is a prominent shrine dedicated to Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, located near the sacred Somnath Temple complex in Gujarat. Built in the 20th century by the influential Birla family, the temple reflects their patronage in constructing and restoring important Hindu shrines across India. Designed in traditional temple architecture, it features finely carved pillars and detailed sculptures depicting various deities from Hindu scriptures. The temple adds Vaishnavite significance to a region primarily known for the Shaivite Jyotirlinga of Somnath. Its construction symbolized a revival of spiritual architecture in the post-independence period. Today, the Lakshmi Narayan Temple stands as a serene place of worship, complementing the historic and religious landscape of Somnath.